say Saturday a minute ago? I have a feeling I had. I think I said Saturday. Sunday. 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 To the mountains, baby. The Popo. Well, he didn't stop. Let's see if he turns around. I hope not. Did you see that cop? He didn't come back, so that was good. We got lucky. I know I'm stupid, but how far you think I could get this bike up that section?
Not halfway.
Not even halfway? I think you're right, not even halfway. You want to go see? No? You're scared I'm going to crash and break a bone? Well, don't say that. I'm scared I'm going to crash. I mean, I'm not scared I'm going to crash. I think I'm going to crash, but I don't think I'm going to break a bone. Now, I would break a bone on my motorcycle. This little thing is small. That's what I like about small bikes. You're close to the ground. I could actually touch the ground and have leeway. My bike, you can't even barely even touch the ground. You want to go see? Come on. For me? For Dad? For the kid in me? Ready to watch me crash? Oh, it's soft, dude. Oh, this is like silt. I might be able to go farther, but you know what would be beautiful? Some rain. Look, it's super soft. It's like silt, which is weird for this area. Nice save, dude. What did you do? Hit your back brake?
I don't know. I think I did because I was like.
I think you hit your back brake, dude. Hey, you want to get ice cream? You have paletas?
Yeah.
What do you want, buddy? What do you got? Whoa. What is it? You want to give them for everybody? How about 3? Or 4? Cuatro. And do you have a little bag? Awesome, man. Pit bikes and ice cream, dude. Perfect. Excellent. Thank you. Gracias. You guys have a good day. All right, bud. Awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Shoot. Pit bikes and ice cream.